Okay, folks. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. This guy, his name is Dick Allgire or Allgire on Fox News. He's speaking live. He's a cryptocurrency millionaire, and he completely, savagely roasts Fox News. And back in the day, I was a huge Fox News follower. I watched them before the others, and which was good. I mean, it was better, but either way, it was still crap. But you guys have got to watch this. It is hilariously epic.
Fun. So this is a remote viewer.
This is from Michael Jaco. He actually did this.
Haven't checked them out. I highly recommend.
So, yeah, I found this. I wanted to share it with everybody.
News speaks truth. I don't know. I think this might be just a funny. I don't think he really was, but who knows? Maybe he was. So crypto viewing. I think it's a great site. I subscribe to it, and I get good information from it. So I recommend it. But it's up to you guys. Let's look at it.
Crypto fans, Dick Allgire here. Merry Christmas. Did you see me on Fox News the other day? They called me, and I guess they wanted like the crypto viewing perspective on news and opinion, so I was on one of their shows. And I showed up at the local Fox affiliate. They put me in front of the green screen, and they had the camera, and they put the IFB in my ear. They were doing the tests. I had to be there like 20 minutes, half hour early. And I wore this shirt. And the producer in New York was like freaking out, like, "What are you wearing?" I said, "I'm wearing my Aloha shirt." "You can't wear that." I said, "Sure I can. I'm an eccentric crypto and wealthy crypto investor. That's the image I'm portraying these days." They said, no, you have to have a suit and tie. So I called Mimi, said, "Bring me a suit and tie." And so we get it squared away. My segment was really brief. For some reason, they kind of cut me off, but Mimi managed to record it, and this is it. "You folks here on Fox News certainly are more attractive than the perverts, creeps, and mutants over on CNN. I'll give you that. And you're better than the liars and racists on MSNBC. Speaking of Joy Reid and other race baiters, I see Jesse trying not to smirk, but don't for a moment imagine that you are ever telling anyone anything close to the truth. You're simply reinforcing the views of conservatives, keeping them inside the box. You are, in fact, gatekeepers. So stop with the blank stares. I know it's difficult after the Botox plastic surgery, but try to blink. I wonder if they're going to have me back. I'll be waiting. Bitcoin
Oh my gosh.
Well, we didn't get our $100,000 Bitcoin in December. That is not going to happen. But relax, take a deep breath. Let me tell you what's happening with cryptos. We're about to see an epic, long...
Oh gosh, he's roasting CNN, ABC, NBC, right on Fox, and then he holds them accountable to me if he roasts them too. This guy is something else. Oh, that's epic, folks. I don't care who you are. That is amazing. So, if for those of you that are into crypto, this guy obviously is one that Michael Jaco does recommend coming to view. I've checked out a couple of them, and they're pretty good. I also watch Waters Above Crypto. He's got some really good stuff going on. He uses numerology, astrology, and gematria, and he's pretty much on cue with how things are going. He's really good with it. So this is just a little snippet, funny part of the day for everybody to watch. You guys have a good one.